Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel No Networks. In today's video, we will see how to enable Telnet on Windows 11, how to disable Telnet on Windows 11, how to install Telnet using command prompt. The same will be applicable for Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10 operating machine as well. By default, the Telnet service is disabled on Windows operating system. You can verify this by going to command prompt and over here simply typing Telnet. You will see that it is saying Telnet is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch file. Let's quit from here. So let's see how we can enable the Telnet on Windows 11 operating system machine. The step number one is you will go to control panel. Step number two is to click on programs and features when control panel opens. Step number three is in the following window, click the link turn Windows features on or off. Step number 4 is on the Windows feature pop-up window, check the Telnet client box. Here is the Telnet client box. You will check this box and you will click OK to begin the installation. It may take some time to apply these changes. It's completed and it is saying Windows completed the requested changes. Once the installation is successful, to access the Telnet, open the command prompt by typing cmd, and on the prompt you will simply type Telnet and hit enter from your keyboard. You can see that the Telnet shell is open for you. We'll just quit from here and we will verify by telnetting some IP address. Let's telnet the Google DNS on port number 53. And you can see that you are able to telnet the Google DNS IP. The second thing is how to disable Telnet on Windows 11 machine. In order to disable, the very first step will be you will be opening the control panel. Let's begin from let's start from the beginning. You will be opening the control panel. You will click on programs and features. In the following window, you will click turn Windows features on or off. And step number 4 will be on the Windows feature pop-up window. You will instead over there while installing the Telnet, you have checked this box over here. You will uncheck the box for Telnet client. Once you uncheck the box, you click OK to begin the uninstallation process. So my friends, when you were installing at that time, you have followed the same procedure. You went to the control panel, then programs and features. Thereafter, on the same window, you selected turn Windows on off feature link. Thereafter, you have checked the box for installation. It's vice versa. Over here, you will uncheck the box for the uninstallation process. So that's it. In a few seconds, the Telnet application will leave your PC. Now again, you can verify and you will see that it is giving you the same error which we have seen the earlier time. So moving on, now we will see that how you will install the Telnet using the command prompt. If you prefer to use command prompt to install Telnet on a Windows 11 PC, do the following step. Step number 1 is to open the command prompt with administrator privileges. In order to open the command prompt with administrative privileges, you will type cmd, and on the command prompt over here, you will be doing the right click and you will click on run as administrator. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You will say yes. You will get a command prompt with administrator privileges. Step number 2 is on the prompt, type the following command and hit the enter from your keyboard. The command is dism space online space dism slash space online space slash enable feature space slash feature name colon telnet client. Let me repeat once again for you. The command is dism space slash online space slash enable hyphen feature space slash feature name colon telnet client, and you will hit enter. So it's enabling the feature, telnet feature for you. So friends, this is how it is saying you the operation is completed successfully, and you can again verify by simply typing the telnet, and it's opening the telnet for you. So friends, this is how you will enable the telnet or disable the telnet. Additionally, you can install the telnet command using a command prompt. Thank you so much my friends for watching this video. If you like my video, please do share with your friends and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video.